welcome to the Garden Shop product demonstration video. In this video we want to show you one of our irrigation systems that we have available on the website, and it is the solar water timer. So you can see it set up here in front of me. We've already set this to go off during the video so you can see it in operation. Now what this tool really is, it's a very handy and compact little device, and it has the ability to water your plants set to a particular frequency and set to a particular length of time. So if we take a closer look here at the front dial that you can see on the product, I'll just talk you through how the product actually works. So first of all, we have what's called the frequency dial here on the left, and with that you can set how often you want your water timer to go off. You can see now it's set to a 10-second run time at the moment, so it should turn off any second now. So there it was. That was just what we've currently set it to, is to run every 5 minutes for 10 seconds, just so you can see how the product works. But of course you can set it to any frequency and run time that you require. So if we go back here to the frequency dial, you can set it to go off every 5 minutes, every 10 minutes, every 15 minutes, every half hour. Alternatively, you can set it to go off every hour, every 4 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours, 12 hours, or you can set it to go off once a day, twice a day, one day, every 2 days, every 3 days, or every 7 days. So that's the frequency dial, and that's how often the water timer will turn on. And then the run time is how long it will run for, and you can set it to run for anywhere from 10 seconds all the way up to 15 minutes to an hour and to 2 hours of run time. So with that you can really fine tune it and set it to whatever timing you want for your own greenhouse or polytunnel. So it's a convenient and very useful little device that allows you to water your plants from your polytunnel or greenhouse. I just closed the little door on it here, and if you can see the top, you can see it has a solar panel on it. That means that this device doesn't need to be connected to any electrical power unit. That actually it's the solar power that powers the device, meaning that it will power itself day and night without any requirement for electricity. Once you set your timer to the setting that you require, it will then water your plants as required without you having to do any manual labour of watering the plants or setting the time yourself. This device will do all that work for you. So with that in mind, not only does it save on time, but also it saves on water, making it eco-friendly, as it won't overwater your plants. It works quite well with two different products we have on our website. First is the hose adapter, and simply you connect your hose to the bottom end of the product and lock your hose in onto the other end of the water timer, and then once that's locked in place, you can then run your water through your hose to whatever part of the garden you require. And I can just take that off. Alternatively, you can use our brass hose connector, which also works with this product. So you can simply just pull down and push it in, and that will lock in place. And again, you can just connect your hose, your porous soaker hose or your irrigation system to this brass connector, and that will mean that you'll get water from your tap through your brass connector into your hose and irrigation system. And with the timer in between, the timer will then set the time and the frequency of your watering. So that's the product really. That's the solar powered watering timer, and it's a part of a wide range of irrigation products that we have available on the gardenshop.ie.